My name is Carlos Todd, and I am the lead detailer here at GMB. I oversee all the parts that are getting detailed, blasted, or seal service, and just making sure the parts are nice and beautiful for the customer when they receive them. This is one of our unfinished raw material products. Basically, we will do the seal surfaces, polish it, mask it, and then we'll put it in the blaster to get it nice and clean. This is stainless steel, so we use a different type of garnet mixture, which is crushed glass and polishing beads, which will give it the nice shiny finish. And basically it would end up turning around looking like this one. The sealing surface might be flat sometimes like this. In this case, it's the O-ring groove. And this is so this angle valve can seal and have no leaks. So it's real important that the sealing surface are flat, smooth, no scratches, or no type of blemishes or any type of obstructions to mess up the seal when the part actually gets sealed together. So we have to make sure this is real fine. Sometimes 32 finish, sometimes it's a 16 finish, or so on and so on, depending on the customer or the part. And the reason for this sealing surface, the main reason is for the pump to pump down real nice and easy with no problems, and it does it a lot faster when this sealing surface is real nice, smooth, clean, no contaminants or nothing in the way. So we don't want no scratches or nothing like that on there. And we just want a nice, clean, smooth seal surface. And in order to make this into this, it's real challenging. You have to be strong. You have to be real consistent with your hand movement, because you don't want to get dips or waves or nothing like that. So you have to be real. It takes people a couple of months or whatever to get real good at it. Tough as nails. We have the skills to beat anyone. We're ready to take you on.